Checked. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we have some pretty major updates in the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case. Like some really major, I'm almost like speechless, to be honest. But let's start with the beginning. So what was going on is that Amber did file a motion to get the case thrown out. She said because of the outcome of the UK trial, because Johnny lost, she was basically saying that because of that, and because that the judge found that he was guilty of, abusing her 12 times, she says that because of that the case in Virginia should be thrown out also. She didn't cite any kind of legal authority to do that. I saw on Twitter some people were getting nervous about that, and honestly I would not worry about that at all, because for starters it's a different country with a different set of laws, and it's also, the UK case was a lawsuit against NGN, so Amber was just a witness in that case. And also, in the law, every single case needs to be tried on its own merits. So the judge is not going to just take another judge in a different country's word for it. He's going to have to hear everything for himself so he can come to his own conclusions. There's no way that a judge would ever throw a case out because another judge ruled something else, because it's a separate case with separate, parties to the case. Like Amber was not a party to the case in the UK trial. So I was going to go through the whole thing that she did. It's about 50 pages of nonsense. I'm honestly shocked that her legal team said that it was okay to do this, because they're probably going to get laughed right out of court. It's just really absurd. But one theory that I have is that her legal team in Virginia, they're kind of like a nobody, local law firm. So I think that they're probably so thirsty for this clout that they're getting through, representing her, that they're just going to do whatever she says, which is probably just how she likes it. Because I couldn't see, those Me Too lawyers or whatever, like big Hollywood lawyers, pulling a stunt like that, because it's just absurd. And it just reeks of desperation as well. It just shows that she's obviously very desperate and she wants this to go away. So that being said, there really is no purpose for me to read it, because some groundbreaking changing evidence just came out, evidence that changes everything. So the Daily Mail has leaked the police body cam footage of, the night that she called the police and she said that he hit her. So she filed request. She was trying to obtain police body cam footage, and to be honest with you, it was so long ago that I figured there was no way that they would still have it. And I'm sure that's probably what she thought as well, because usually they only keep it X amount of time. But who knows, maybe because it was more of like a celebrity case, they kept it. I don't know. But it turns out they did still have the body cam footage, and Amber should have been careful what she wished for, because she got it. And the body cam footage shows that there was no damage to the place, at all. And they said, the cops went there and they said that everything was fine. So it's literally just as what the cops testified that it was on trial, when the UK Judge Nicol, decided to take Amber's word for it. But this body cam footage proves that when the police went there, that everything was fine. And that explains why it looks so staged in the photos, because it was. And this is a huge piece of evidence, because now Amber has been busted as going on the stand and saying that she donated all of her settlement to charity, which she didn't. She didn't donate a penny. And now it's proven that she lied about what happened when she called the cops and what went down. This is proof that she lied. Like, it's video proof. There's nothing that she can say to refute this. I'm honestly curious to see what she's going to say, how she's going to try to rebuttal this. I think she's screwed, and I didn't think that she stood a chance in hell of getting the case thrown out, but now she really, really doesn't have a chance. If Amber Heard doesn't get fired from Aquaman, and like if Johnny Depp doesn't get his old jobs back, like I don't know what I'm gonna do, but like this is just wow. This girl is literally gone, girl. Like she's literally that. I can't even believe it. It's so outlandish that I don't know, sometimes you're like, wow, could this really be? But no, it's really that. Like she's really that evil to do this to Johnny Depp. Like it's proven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the video here of the body cam footage, and I'll let you basically see for yourself. And yeah.
Coffee's hot. Burn it up. We're in around penthouse 3. Somebody come out here earlier?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
I can't remember the names offhand. We the card inside.
Science, maybe? Yeah, we got another call. I don't know if it's related to the same call from earlier or if somebody called again.
Probably.
We just need to check. One of you guys know someone in New York or something?
Yeah, she probably called twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just talk to your wife and make sure.
Oh, it's not my wife.
Okay. Whoever.
Different conversation.
Okay, yeah. Well, whoever it is, stuff out, you gotta check on make sure they're all good.
I'll go get the business card from the cops.
Yeah, I don't know, just because we got another call and we can't again, we still gotta make sure.
Give me 1 second.
Back up.
Please, back up.
We'll just come in and just check. We didn't make sure everybody in here is I don't know if you guys
It must have been like a double call.
Okay. Who's Amber? You? Okay. And Johnny?
Is definitely not here.
He's not here? Okay.
That's probably like 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Everything's all good then?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright.
Thank you.
Well, if you guys need anything else, just call us back. Have a good night.
So isn't that nuts? I am shocked. I am just so shocked. And I don't know why, but I got this feeling just to go check Twitter. And sure enough, it was just been shared about minutes prior. Oh my God. So this is a huge piece of evidence. Wow. This is crazy. This is huge. So I know that Adam Waldman, he was kind of teasing about this on Twitter, but it's just crazy. I was like, oh guys, come on. I didn't know if it was actually going to happen, but it's here. It's wow. Wow. I have no words, honestly. So, I'm really curious to see what will happen moving forward with this case, because whatever tiny shred of credibility that she had is probably just out the window completely at this point. Like, completely. These are two major key points of her story that it has now been found out that she's lied about. So throw the whole story away, I think. I mean, that's just kind of how it works in the legal system. When it's discovered that you're lying about such a crucial part of your story, you become not a credible witness. So basically, all of your testimony is not credible. So I don't think there's really any coming back for her. I just don't think there's any coming back from this for her. It's proof that she lied, and like concrete evidence. Wow. Okay. So I'm curious to see what's going to happen. All I can say is the case sure as shit is not getting thrown out now, girl. Wow. Wow, I don't know. If I were her, I would probably try to settle, but thank God I'm not her, because she is public enemy number one right now, I'm sure. Like, once this has come out. Wow. I need to hear from L'Oreal. I need to hear from Warner Brothers. I need to hear from anyone that still continues to support her immediately. And yeah, this is just unacceptable. I can't even believe that someone would be just so evil to do something like this, and it just gives all survivors a bad name. And I'm shook. I'm shook. I guess today is the day that Amber is revealed for who she really truly is. Like, at least one of the days, one of many days. But yeah, what do you guys think will happen? I mean, obviously the case is going to go ahead. I'm really curious to see what she's going to try to discredit this, or I don't know. I'm really curious. I'm dying to know of what her response will be to this. Wow. If I were her, I'd probably just go into hiding and just, become a hermit. Delete all my social media, because you just got caught in 4K. Oh wow, this is kind of like what the psychic predicted. Caught in 4K. It's not 4K actually. It's kind of grainy quality, but it's good enough quality that we saw. Wow. Okay, so Aphrodite, the psychic, if you watched my previous video reacting, I think he called it. This is shocking. Whew. Okay, guys, well, comment down below what you think about all of this. What do you think? What are your predictions? I don't know. I want to hear what you guys have to say. This is pretty huge. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.